Good morning, guys. I hope you're all doing great. As you can see, we're out for another ride. This morning we're taking Dennis's bikes for some exercise. That's Geoff up ahead on the ST3. And I'm here behind on Dennis's just beautiful Norton Commando that he restored. He's got a reverse gear shift linkage, so the gear shift pattern's the other way around. So instead of 1 up 3 down, it's 1 down 3 up. So very similar to a Triumph and other bikes. Just takes a bit of getting used to, because you know you're riding a Norton Commando, but the gear shift's the other way around. It is tight as a drum. It's a beautiful bike. Goodness, after I get off my old bike, it feels so different. It's like a modern bike. And this engine was rebuilt by George Krause as well, so it's in perfect condition. Oh, it's so smooth. Everything feels so smooth and tight. Oh, look at those. Very cool. Cobras. Down, down, down. No, up, up, up. It idles pretty fast, this. Yeah, we're about 1.6 thousand revs. This is the airstrip where we landed on that B-17. That was just an incredible experience. A little scary, but it was amazing. So yeah, the work that we're planning on this bike, it's got really high compression. It takes quite an effort to start it. And so what we think has happened is the head was previously skimmed, and therefore we need to add, probably ideally, a cylinder base gasket, or if not, a cylinder head gasket. So Dennis has been looking at some manufacturers, and we're hoping to install one of those one of these days, just to kind of lower the compression a little bit and make it just a little easier to live with and start for sure. Lots of power. Oh my gosh, yeah. But you just love third gear, guys. Dennis has just done a beautiful job restoring this bike. It's so nice to ride. So great in fourth. I'm in fourth, doing what, 40? Smooth as anything. that. Interesting. Yeah. There's an old biplane down there. We're going to take a look at it. Wow. Look at that. Brilliant. Take a look at that.
That would make a great photograph if you wanted to get the bike in front of it.
Oh.
Beautiful bike.
Oh wow. How old's your plane? What is the make and the model?
It's a Boeing Stearman. It was built in '43. It's a trainer for the Army and Navy primary trainer.
Wow.
And
1943.
they built what, about 10,000 of them, John?
That's what they say.
And there's a lot of them still around because they used them for crop dusters after the war.
1943, boy, it still looks good, doesn't it?
It's magic.
He rebuilt it, what, 6 years ago?
Oh.
Yeah, 6 years ago.
Oh my. Wow.
Goodness. Cool is that?
I was just going to say, it doesn't do any cooler than that.
Oh my gosh, that is brilliant. Oh, you did so well to spot that, Geoff. They look like they're just sat in the air, don't they?
And you're right, it was actually way quieter than I thought.
See ya! How cool was that? Well, that was just great. I hope you enjoyed that plane. Oh my gosh, it was beautiful. Okay, let's get back to this test ride.